Hello and welcome to Marketing Pros tutorial on the difference between greeting name, family name, and envelope name. We run into this question a lot, and now is the time to clarify what Marketing Pro is looking for in these particular instances. Greeting name is typically an informal name, possibly a nickname. So Charles would then turn into Chuck. Catherine would be Kate, and so on and so on and so on. A family name is the informal name of every family member. Bob, Eve, and Robbie. Donald, Huey, Dewey, and Louie. Martin, Charlie, and Emilio. The envelope name is typically the last name of the family. The DeVitos, the Swift family, the Timberlakes. I'm now going to show you where the contact information comes into play when sending physical mail. Over here on the right-hand side, you'll see that I have selected one of my contacts, David Corley. Now, I also have a greeting name, a family name, and a name on envelope that I have filled out in the contact tab. You'll see that the family name says David Chelsea, his wife. The name on the envelope says the Corley family, and greeting name is Dave. Typically, a greeting name would be a nickname or an informal name. Now, his name is obviously David, but in greeting name, I always call him Dave. Over here on the left-hand side, I have opened up our card builder. Here is a special birthday card that I'm going to send to him that you can sort of see over here on the left-hand side. So I've picked out my birthday card, and the inside says greeting name. That means over on the contact field, Dave will now show up right here. So his informal name, greeting name, will show up. If I don't really want that, if I want it to be more formal, I can just choose first name here. And once I preview it, it now says first name. So now moving forward in this birthday card, David will now show up under first name. So in scenario 2, we're going to send an anniversary card over to David. But I don't want it to just say David like we did on the birthday card. In this instance, I'm going to change not to greeting name or first name, but to family name. That way, under family name, both he and his wife will now be represented in this anniversary card. So the card will now read, Dave and Chelsea, just wanted to take a moment to congratulate you both on this special occasion. Family name is a good place to put husband and wife. In this instance, I can also use the envelope name to say the Corley family. I have created an envelope name so that it goes to both of them, the Corley family, versus it just saying Dave. So greeting name, family name, and name on envelope do come in handy, specifically when you're sending physical mailers, and you can even specify how you use these inside the system. If you have any questions, give us a call at 866-254-6035. We are here Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time to help you out. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.